Spoken to a minister in the Maharashtra cabinet. Let's listen in to what he says.
CCTV footage, definitely it can vary. Like even if you take your personal picture and if sometimes and actually if you see the person, you always see the difference.
Okay.
So maybe it's because of that, maybe the camera angle or something. But then definitely it's the same person. He himself has admitted that yes, it was me who attempted the theft.
Mumbai police also caught hold of, detained two wrong people as well. So it was only the face from the CCTV that you were depending on, or anything else was also there?
That was the initially first few hours. That was the only link we had.
Okay.
That was the only link we could follow.
Huh.
But later, when more CCTV footages came, he also did a GPay payment through his friend.
Yes, sir.
We caught that friend. Through that friend, we caught him. So there was a continuous action which was going on for 3 days. It was not like we caught him all of a sudden in some jungle. We were tracking. The Mumbai police was tracking him since the second hour of the incident, and we should appreciate it. But again, I'm saying, by doubting this investigation, we are doubting Mumbai police's work.
So the minister, they're obviously trying to tell us that all is well, and there could be different discrepancies when you look at the two pictures of the CCTV camera and also later of the man who has been arrested by the cops. Now, remember, we've also spoken to the arrested accuser's father. The father lives in Bangladesh, and even he is contesting that the man that you see on the CCTV is not the same as his son, who is currently under arrest in connection with the attack on the actor. And on your screen, some more details of just a conversation that we broke a little while earlier of the Maharashtra minister, who says that there is nothing wrong and there could be different perceptions to the entire story. And he does say that he's even seen the actor's injury. But this is what I'm talking about. And the man that you see on your screens is the father of the accused here. And we've asked him earlier whether he believes that the man that you see on the CCTV is the same man who's been arrested by the cops. We'll also be able to play out his responses to that question.
Shariful Islam's father is joining us on the broadcast. Thank you for joining us. पहले तो मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूंगी कि जो सीसीटीवी फुटेज में दिख रहा है और जिसको गिरफ्तार किया गया है, क्या वो आपका बेटा है?
हाँ, शरीफुल इस्लाम আমার ছেলে।
Okay, he is your son. बट क्या आप बता सकते हैं कि आपने बोला है कि जो सीसीटीवी में दिख रहा है वो आपका बेटा नहीं है, जो गिरफ्तार हुआ है वो आपका बेटा है, लेकिन सीसीटीवी में वो नहीं था। आपको ऐसा क्यों लगता है कि जो सीसीटीवी में दिख रहा है वो इट्स अ कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट पर्सन?
সিসিটিভিতে ফুটেজে দেখা যাচ্ছে সে আমার ছেলে নয়, কারণ আমার ছেলের মুখ ভারী এবং ওই ছেলের মুখ চাপা এবং চুল ঢাকানো। এই আমার ছেলে অত বড় চুল রাখে না, সে ওই ছোট করে চুল রাখে এবং উপরে ব্যাক ব্রাশ করে এবং উপরে চুল দাঁড়ানো থাকে। এই কারণে আমি বলছি সিসি ফুটেজে যে ছেলের দেখা যাচ্ছে সেই ছেলে আমার ছেলের ছবি নয়।
Okay, all right. So he says that the facial features don't match. The man who has been arrested is his son, but the man in the CCTV footage is not the same. He says it's completely different. The facial features are different. It's very lean. My son does not look like that. मैं आपसे पूछूंगी कि आपका अपील क्या है अथॉरिटी से, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे, क्योंकि आप कह रहे हैं कि जिसको सीसीटीवी में देखा जा सकता है वो आपका बेटा नहीं है, लेकिन उससे अरेस्ट कर दिया गया है।
আমি তো সরকারের কাছে দাবি জানাচ্ছি যে মিথ্যা যেন হয়রানি না হয়, আমরা নির্দোষ এবং মিথ্যা কোনো কিছু না হয়, আমরা সেটা দাবি করছি।
Okay, in fact, there are many who continue to think that there could be more to the story. This could be a cover-up as well. क्या आप हमें इस पे बता सकते हैं कि आपको क्यों लगता है कि there could be a conspiracy, कि आपको पूरा सच नहीं बताया जा रहा है?
সে ওই ছোটবেলা থেকেই মাথার চুল দুই পাশে ছোট রেখে উপরেও ছোট ছিল এবং সে কোনো সময় ওই কপাল ঢেকে অত বড় চুল রাখেনি। কারণ আপনাদের ভারতবর্ষ বিশাল একটি রাষ্ট্র এবং মানুষের মতো মানুষ কে আছে এর সাথে সামান্য মিল থাকে, কারোর সাথে মিল থাকে না, তো এইটাই। কিন্তু আমি সেই ওই চুল লম্বা দেখে আমি দেখছি যে না, এই ছেলে আমার নয়।
Okay, all right. Thank you for joining us. This is the father of the accused, and what he says becomes significant because there were already a lot of questions that were being raised on whether there is a cover-up, whether the man who has been arrested is the same who is seen in the CCTV footage as well.